play a song? I like it.
Yeah, I bet I'm gonna try Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Yeah, you only need 3 fingers for Mary Had a Little Lamb.
We have a coalition with one mission: to provide free resources and activities and information for families with young children.
We have a lot of fun because the whole objective of the event is to have hands-on, interactive type experiences for children, and to let them know that learning, you can learn. In anything you do, you can learn, So, and just like reading is everywhere, when you come to these spaces, you can also learn. And so they're going to have a good time. They're going to be able to go to separate tables, get different experiences, and then walk away having feel enriched, in this space. So.
Your quacks of the sheep, but I do have a, what does the dog say? Woof, 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 woof. A woof will never do, said little duckling, and off she went to find her.
As a Dearborn Public School educator for the past 31 years, I know how many supports we have in place for school-age children, and it is really important that we offer services to our families with younger children.
You can have one of each, or just a harmonica if you want just that, or a recorder.
My role is really ensuring that our event today ensures that all of our families have access to fun, family-focused events that they can engage in with their children. Everyone who is here today is able to be here at no charge and no fee for anyone, including vendors. But so in order to be here, a vendor has to provide an activity or materials that the family can take home to build classroom libraries and arts and crafts centers at home. Our focus is really to ensure that families are really engaging in conversations with children, playing games with children. So you're not going to see devices, you're going to see games and activities, and everything is free for families, including lunch.
Wallah, beautiful. Absolutely awesome. Hi.
We received a very generous grant of $10,000 from my family so that this could be a free event for all families. And DTE generously donated $2,000 so that we could provide more materials for families to take home. And we are partnered with Everybody Ready, who offers a lot of support with raffles and giveaways and registration, a lot of the behind the scenes they've been instrumental in. And Hype Athletics was really a huge supporter. They offered us this space at no charge. So we're so thankful to all of our supporters and really are excited that all of our families get to spend time together in a safe space where they have connections to organizations who can really enrich their lives.
Dearborn Public Schools was my introduction to Everybody Ready. And so, I just know how important, the school district is to the community, such a large role it plays. And it's just an exciting opportunity for me to be here and help support some great partners doing good work to help make us all healthy and stronger.
And I have two big excitements for today.
Okay.
One of them is watching our 24 high school volunteers interact with our families and our youth and ensure that our families are supported. And also our story time that's provided by the Dearborn Public Library, because I have a lifelong love of books and I'm always excited when that's shared with young children.
By this time, little duckling was lost.
I'm going to ask you a question about a tiger, and then you get your prize, okay? All right. So,
we're hoping that we can continue the year 3, year 4, year 5, and we continue to have a great partnership. But last year, we were the Great Start Collaborative. This year, we lost our funding. Everybody Ready managed the Great Start Collaborative funding. And so the Early Learning Coalition stepped up to the plate and say, you know, we can carry it forward, and they asked us to continue to be partners, and so we're grateful for that.
You will see a piece of Dearborn and Dearborn Heights in Wayne County all over the room today.